problem we were given was to take this massive database about IT projects in the US and try to get useful indicators about the success and otherwise of other projects that we might look at in the future.
So we had some of our old team members, so Anne-Marie, Annette, Ken, Philip, Raman, and we had some, myself, Lisa. We also had Sam, a student, and Tom, who was our Power BI expert, who we recognised in advance we needed to have that skill set.
In essentially 6 hours of hacking, we had natural language processing, machine learning and clustering, Power BI data visualizations, a dashboard made. We started looking into having user input through Power Apps. We did a lot because we were able to work in silos because we planned things well in advance and we had the skills there.
I think one thing I learned from this was that there was a lot of richness to the data. So in order to make it tractable for a hack, we had to discard a lot.
Yeah.
But it also was quite nice to see that, okay, even though we did that and we got just enough to prove the concept, we had all these ideas about, oh, we'd like to do this, we'd like to do that, and next time, some other time.
You can use that area of the Slack channel in advance and you read the challenges and you try to get some things going. It makes it much easier on the day just because you're not starting from scratch.
It was something that was using a practical application, and there was an entity that said, we would like to take this further. Then we could really get our hands dirty with it, because we've demonstrated that we work together. We're willing to put time in to come together off hack. And yeah, so if there was an opportunity out there with one of you entities who's watching this video, thank you. And to answer the question, could this be a future career? Yes. Again, with the right questions to be answered.